Yo.
Come here then now. Want to play one game?
When I do.
Heads and tails. If you get the heads, we box you. If we get tails, you box we.
You can't take box.
Yeah.
Alright, come make we play then. Mama, you hear pick them down here. Run the game.
Where you pick?
Lord God damn.
Maya, we win! Woo! Maya, we are gonna damage him. Yeah. Uncle, you're dead now. 3, 2, 1.
Father, me I beg you, make a head come.
Maya, we win! Uncle, she and me and you are not friend again. Ooh, come here.
Hold on, stick book. Them box you can't. Yeah, wait.
It's like a hat.
This one I do. You see, two of me ignorant to run the game because here walk one. I have to win this one. You can't take me for fool, you know. Watch this. I'm dead now.
Uncle, help me now.
Boy, help you. Think you take me for fool. What do you want? To drop down for sure? I'm so come down.
When gone, I'm going to water for that smile. But box who? Box me. Me I get up and go my yard.
Yeah. Just get up in the morning here. I wonder what me I go do. All them look at me. I wonder what them depend.
Uncle, you want to play one game?
What's the matter? Rabbit them now. Come here. Rabbit time now. Can't play no game.
What's your win? You're going to win $1,000 if you win.
You can't trick me.
We're not box here now. Come here now. Uncle.
You want to say what next time?